Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Wednesday, May 13th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up today. The S&P 500 index closed at a new all-time high of 7,444.88, gaining 43.91 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index also hit a new high, closing at 26,402.34, up 314.14 points. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 fell by 67.38 points to 49,693.19. The breadth of the market showed mixed results. While S&P 500 and Nasdaq had more advances than declines, symbol T or DJI, the Dow 30 showed an even split between advances and declines, signaling varied participation across indexes. Looking at total and daily returns, Nasdaq leads with a month-to-date return of 6.07%, while the S&P 400 mid-cap lags slightly with negative weekly returns. Year-to-date, those indices exhibit upward trends with gains above 8.5%. Communication services led the way with a 2.6% rise, closing at 508.65. This made a new all-time high. Technology and consumer cyclical also saw gains, with technology closing at 6,637.29, up 0.97%. Healthcare followed suit with a smaller yet positive increase. Utilities experienced the worst decline, dropping 1.2% to close at 453.7 amid downward volatility. Financial services and real estate also declined notably after a period of sideways movement, while industrials had modest losses, yet maintained a strong positive trend. Global markets saw South Korea jump 5.5%, closing at 188.49. Thailand and China followed, up 2.7%. Finland's ETF reached a new peak at 55.63, supported by a robust uptrend amid upward volatility in these regions. Highlighting total and daily returns, South Korea shows a strong month-to-date return of 17.2%, showcasing robust strength. Meanwhile, Finland's ETF, already at a new high, reported a promising year-to-date return of 16.33%. Today's key technology stocks showcased impressive performances. Apple closed at 298.87, up 4.7, marking a new all-time high in a strong positive trend. Alphabet reached 399.6, an increase of 15.23, reflecting a 3.9% gain and an all-time higher close, continuing its very strong positive trend. Amazon rose to 270.13, increasing 4.31, showing the effects of a very strong positive trend despite 3 days of flat movement. Meta Platforms climbed 13.63 to 616.63, but remains in a negative trend. NVIDIA impressed with a 5.5 increase to 225.83, its sixth consecutive day up in a new all-time high, highlighting significant upward volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Today, Bitcoin is currently at 79,654.43, dropping 830.29. It's on a downtrend for 3 consecutive days, yet maintains a strong positive trend. Ethereum is priced at 2,260.81, with a decrease of 13.62, showing mixed signals and some downward volatility. Notably, BNB has risen to 671.7, up 6.40, exhibiting strong upward volatility. Solana fell to 91.18, down 3.9, signaling a 2-day downtrend and a recent downward breakout. Meanwhile, Dogecoin climbed to 0.1131, up 0.00 429, featuring an upward breakout after 4 days of inactivity. Looking at crypto returns, Bitcoin shows a month-to-date rise of over 4.3%, although year-to-date it's down by almost 9%. Ethereum mirrors this trend, presenting a minimal monthly gain and a larger annual decline. BNB has better monthly performance at almost 9.1%, but lost more than 22% year-to-date. Dogecoin is up 6.2% for the month, despite being negative this year. Lastly, Solana shows a nearly 9.8% monthly gain, despite a 26.7% loss year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed signals today. It's rising against the euro and British pound, while also gaining on the Japanese yen and Swiss franc. However, it's losing ground against Australia's dollar, signalling a very strong negative trend as it heads towards a potential all-time low close.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index sector, cryptocurrency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.